Why am I dressed like a Christmas elf, you must say? Oh, because I am a Christmas elf, that's why. Or at least that's how I feel. I've been making Pinterest Christmas crafts for all of my great nieces and nephews, and to have to ship them off. And so I thought I'd share a few of those crafts with you guys. One of the first ones is my Santa sleigh. So Santa is riding his sleigh, and he's got a bucket of gifts on his sleigh. So how did I make this? I took a full-size Kit Kat bar and I put 2 candy canes at the bottom. I've hot glued everything. Then I've taken 4 Hershey's Nuggets on the side and taped those into the middle. In the front, I put a Rolo, and then I hot glued Santa so it looks like he's driving. And then of course he's got all his gifts in the back, so you got to have a bow. So that was the very first Christmas craft that they are receiving. The second one is a snowman. So isn't he so cute? So for this, I used some dollar store donuts, Mrs. Freshley's, and I took some black stock paper and just cut out a little hat. And then for his nose, I used the Reese's package that was orange, and I just punched holes in it to make a little round, orange circle. I took a red ribbon and hot glued it around his neck as his scarf. And then for his scarf, or whatever you guys, his buttons, there we go, his buttons and his face, I just used a black magic marker. So this is my snowman. And the third task I did was a reindeer. So this one right here, I made using piping bags. So those are some Wilton piping bags. I got this from Walmart. And I got some squiggly eyes for him. Those were found at the Dollar Tree. And his little red pom-pom nose, I found that at the Dollar Tree as well. So that is his face. On the inside, I found some hot cocoa that I also got that from the Dollar Tree. I got a bag of chocolate chips, which I got that from Walmart, but I think normally they have those at the Dollar Tree as well. And a bag of marshmallows. I normally think they're at the Dollar Tree, but they were not at my Dollar Tree, so I did pick up a bag of marshmallows from Walmart. So those are my 3 Pinterest crafts that I've done for Christmas this year. And so that's why I'm feeling like an elf and I'm festive. As you guys can see, I've got my elf uniform on, I got my necklace, and I am just having a great day. I'm going to pack these up and ship them off for some holiday cheer for my nieces and nephews. So let me know down below, have you guys done any Christmas crafts this year? Comment down below, what have you done, or are you going to do some? So I'd really be interested to know that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content that I am providing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So thanks for watching, guys. I love ya. Bye.